My name is Kate McCauley, and this summer I'll be co-leading the workshop Planning and Design for School Lead. I think a lot of times in schools, depending on our role in schools or in education in general, a lot of times we have an idea for something, but we're not really exactly sure how to execute it. And this workshop is really about taking those ideas and growing them and building them into something that meets your vision, and in this case, vision for STEM. So we're hoping to have rich discussions among teacher leaders, building leaders, maybe curriculum leaders, and really thinking about how we can coordinate efforts, maybe design curriculum, maybe design a school-wide event, maybe think about STEM as integration on a larger scale in a school. But how do you take the ideas that you have and align it with your kind of school's mission for STEM? And then how do you combine those into kind of actually rolling out best practices or a new program or something, a new experience for your students or your community?